So for this substance at the top in here, so that is a pwede tangaranan hin orto meta M. M tapos mauuna iton bromo kaysa chloro. Okay? So meta bromo chloro benzene. Meta bromo chloro benzene. Pero pwede gid gyapon ka mo mag number 13. So that is a 13. 13 bromo chloro benzene. 13 bromo chloro benzene. I think both are accepted as an IUPAC name. Okay? So that is for this guy. 13 bromo chlorobenzene or benzene, or you can call it meta bromo chlorobenzene. Okay. So for this one, we have to check kung ano to pa. Kung mahilaba nga ni iniya, basically it may parent. You would adapt the name benzene. Pero kung nilaba nga niya di, iniya nagiging phenyl. An imo iton benzene nga may da ready for one nga for parehohan alkyl group. Actually, yung phenyl hiya nga side. Phenyl, dire mo lati alcohol, dire phenol. Phenyl, ano yung benzene. Ibalat ang benzene. Ang benzene kasi may CH2 yan nakakabit. So, kita na lang yung dito ang pinakauna nga discussion. You can use again those simple structures to refer during quizzes. Again ha? So, since hilaba diya, that would be may nakita parent nga somewhat benzene. So, benzene that parent. And then, maging complicated diya kay kasi ini nagsasanga. So, pwede mo initawagon nga basically, kaya that parent, number 1 kita hini dinhi. Ini kay dinhi na attach. So, hiniya, maging number 1 ini, 2, 3. So, ha 3, may dani mo methyl. Bagaan complicated. Amin yan case nga complicated dani mo substituent. So, makuha kita, ma-bracket kita. In number 3, may the methyl. 3 methyl. 3 methyl phenyl. Phenyl, sorry. 3 methyl 1, 2, 3, 4 propyl. Met et abutyl. 1 met et propyut. So 3 methyl butyl. 3 methyl butyl close parenthesis tapos dash tapos 3 methyl butyl 1. So ada mo 1 nga benzene. So 3 methyl butyl 1 waray na da pwede na waray 1 understood din 3 methyl butyl benzene. Bagan 3 methyl butyl benzene. I think that would be the name of this guy over here. Okay?